Lorena Lopez Cerero, and I work at the Department of Microbiology at University of Sevilla. I am going to present the result of a study on Serratia sarumanii, which is the main cause of Serratia infection and Serratia outbreaks in Andalusia. Serratia marchensis is one of the species of Serratia that is more related to infection in humans. And in September in 2024, it was described a new species of Serratia sarumanii, that is completely indistinguishable of Serratia marchensis. This new species has not pigment, is white, the colonies are white, so they have been named according to Saruman, one of the witches in the movie of the Lords of the Ring, because it lacks of pigment. And when we look at our collection of outbreaks in Andalusia, we have studied 187 isolates coming from different outbreaks in different hospitals in our region. We have found that Serratia sarumanii was about 2/3 of the isolate. Not only that, it's also very clustered. We found 7 clusters according to the scheme of Redon. And we can see here the whole picture of the dendrogram of the isolates. All those that are colored in green belongs to Serratia sarumanii. We have sequenced only 33 that were selected from every different pulsotype. And also the second species that was important is also Serratia nevei, that is also very difficult to distinguish from Serratia marchensis by Malditov. All of them, the result from Malditov is Serratia marchensis. And the most important thing is apart to be the predominant species in our outbreaks, is that some of the clones that we found, 2 of them, were found in a very, very similar time, at the same time, in 2 different hospitals, causing neonatal unit outbreaks. It was the ST255 and the ST384. Most of them, almost 80% of them, were completely susceptible to beta-lactams. They show a wild type antibiotic phenotype. And, but we found some of them producing carbapenemase, especially VIM1, and precisely Serratia sarumanii was the species with more frequent we found carbapenemase. And the neonatology units were more or less associated. So as conclusion of our study, this new species, Serratia sarumanii, is the most frequent associated to infection and to outbreaks in our region and probably in the rest of Europe. And they have a characteristic that permits to create outbreaks in neonatology, and sometimes simultaneous outbreaks in hospitals that are very distant between them. This study has been conducted by the group of the Regional Reference Laboratory in Andalusia. We have received isolate for the whole region, and the principal investigator of this study was Mercedes Delgado. Thank you for your attention.